Access your accounts 24/7 with digital banking. To get started, let's register. It will take less than 5 minutes to complete. You can do this through an online browser or by downloading the Sparrow mobile banking app. Let's get started. If you are using an online browser, go to the Sparrow website. Click on the Login button. If you are using the mobile banking app, launch it to begin. On the login screen, select the Register with Online Banking button. If you have opened a personal account, select Register as an individual. If you have opened a business account, select Register as a business. You will then be prompted to enter your personal information to verify your account. Your member number can be found in the account disclosure packet you received during account opening. If you opened your account online, this disclosure packet would have come via email. Select Next. To authenticate your account, the system will require you to enter a validation code. Choose your preferred validation method. Select Request Code. Once you receive the code, enter it into the verification code field. Select Next. Now it's time to set up your username and password. Select Register. Read and accept the digital banking terms and conditions. And that's it. Now it's time to enjoy all the benefits of digital banking at your fingertips.